In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use count in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a reliable total on your sheet using the count function, even if you don't have a separate numbering column. Start by opening the Smartsheet where you want the total to appear. Pick the specific cell where you want to see the final count. It's a good habit to choose a cell in a summary area, like at the top or bottom of a column, so the result is easy to spot later. If it helps with clarity, add a label in a nearby cell, such as total, so anyone viewing the sheet understands what the number represents. Next, go to the toolbar at the top and click Formulas. This opens the Formulas panel on the right side of your screen. In the search bar within that panel, type Count. You'll see the count function appear in the results, along with a brief description explaining that it counts how many cells in a range contain numbers. Select Count to begin building the formula. Now, choose the cells you want to count. With the count function ready, click and drag across the cells in your sheet that you want included. You can drag over a contiguous set of rows, a portion of a column, or an entire column if that's what you need. Take care to include all relevant rows and avoid headers or labels that aren't part of your data. If you accidentally select the wrong area, just adjust your selection before continuing. When your range looks correct, click Apply in the Formulas panel. Smartsheet will insert the count formula, and the result will appear immediately in the cell you selected at the start. That number represents how many cells within your selected range contain numeric values. It's a quick way to total items when you don't have a dedicated numbering column. A few useful notes as you review your result. Count only includes cells with numbers. It will ignore blanks, text values, and error cells. If your data is mostly text, that's expected behavior for count, and your total may be lower than the number of rows in your selection. The nice part is that the count updates automatically as your data changes. Add a new number in the range, and your total adjusts on its own. If you need to move the total elsewhere, you can copy and paste the formula to another cell. And if anything looks off right after applying, use IE's undo and try selecting the range again. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and accurate.